So what happened right now? It's like the people is and the kids are not feeling good for any reason. Let's say they are not feeling good.
Pandemia.
No, but something like a more like a punctual, like a
Okay.
no, not so general, because that can keep you depressed for many times. Not that kind of. But they feel bad. Maybe you scream to them or you make a mistake with them, and they will feel bad. So what they do if they have like the option to have this is that they feel bad and they take out the phone. It was the same, like people who smoke, it's because they feel bad. It's because they need a hit on the dopamine. They need to feel good. But as longer that you smoke, less dopamine is going to hit. So you need to smoke more. It's the same with drugs. Like the first time is going to feel amazing, but the second time, maybe too, but the third time is not going to feel so amazing because you are not going to get at the topic. So you need to do more drugs and harder drugs, right? So with the kids, the thing is like they are so driven by social media because the satisfaction depends on the reaction of others on social media. So even us, I love when people like love my garden pictures that you can see on Instagram. You can follow. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I don't post so much. But the thing is, like, I love when people do that. But the difference between me and the kids is that I'm not dependent. My satisfaction doesn't depend on that. But for kids, it does.
And your self-esteem.
And your self-esteem.
That's another big thing with kids.
Okay, so to complete this, like the whole round thing, so by allowing them to have the phone, what you are doing is that basically you are creating like a totally worthless human being in the aspect that they will not be able to manage their emotions. Like exactly the thing that you were trying to do, manage the emotion, is the thing that is not going to happen to him, because what we want to give to them is the technology or the knowledge that they can manage themselves. So when you are not there and they are under challenge, they know what to do. And you are completely not given that. You are completely given the other thing. So imagine all the repercussions that it has. Like the most important thing is like if they feel bad, they will grab the phone because they need to feel satisfied. So what we are creating is a irreality, like a non-reality of you feel bad, you feel good. You feel bad, you feel good. And as bad they feel, like more stimulus they will need and they will try to get. So it can start just by social media, but then it can go to video games, and then can go to pornography, and then can go to harm themselves, because they create like another things. It has many aspects, but that's what I want to share with you. Like you need to understand these things, and you need to understand not just for your kids, but you need to understand for yourself.